Did you know that Arabic letters are divided into two groups, sun and moon letters? And guess what? By learning this rule, you'll also get a full introduction to all Arabic letters and how they sound. In this video, I'll explain sun and moon letters in a super easy way. We'll also compare each Arabic letter to English sounds so you can start pronouncing them correctly from the start. Alright, let's dive in and start with the basics of Arabic pronunciation. So what exactly do we mean by sun and moon letters? In Arabic, when we add al to a noun, it's like saying the in English. For example, in English we say the moon, and in Arabic we say al-qamar for the moon. But the interesting part is that something happens with the L when we add it to certain letters. With moon letters, we pronounce the L in L, but with sun letters, the L is silent, and we double the next letter instead. So let me explain how this works and walk you through the moon and sun letters. The moon letters. Let's start with the moon letters. These are the ones where we do pronounce the L in L clearly. There are 14 moon letters. Let's go through them one by one, comparing them to English sounds. Alif, similar to the short A in apple. Ba, like B in book. Jim, like J in jam. Ha, no exact English match. Kha, no exact English match. Ain, no exact English match. Ghain, no exact English match. Fa, like F in fish. Qaf, no exact English match. Kaf, like K in kite. Mim, like M in moon. Ha, like H in house. Waw, like W in water. Ya, like Y in yes. So with the moon letters, the L in L is pronounced clearly. For example, Al-Abyad, Al-Bayt, Al-Qamar, Al-Ghali, Al-Asal, Al-Kutub, and so on. The sun letters. Now let's talk about the sun letters. There are also 14 of them, and they make the L silent. Let's go through them and compare to English sounds. Ta, like T in table. But I want to point out that in Arabic, the sounds are more pure compared to English. For example, in English, you might hear a bit of air with the T, but in Arabic, the sound is cleaner and doesn't have that breathy quality. So if table were an Arabic word, we would pronounce the T more purely, without that puff of air. It would sound something like this. Table. Just a clear T with no extra breath. The next one, tha, like th in think. Dal, like D in door. Dhal, like th in this. Ra, no exact English match. Za or zai, like Z in zebra. Sin, like S in sun. Sheen, like sh in sheep. Sad, no exact English match. Dad, no exact English match. Ta, no exact English match. Va, no exact English match. Lam, like L in light. Noon, like N in night. With these letters, the L in L is silent. When it meets a sun letter, that consonant is doubled in pronunciation. But what does doubled really mean? It follows the same rule as Shaddah. Remember, Shaddah represents two identical letters merging, the first with Sukoon and the second with a short vowel. So, when we say the sun letter is doubled, we're actually applying the Shaddah rule again. For example, in الطعام, the L in L is silent. So we say الطعام with a doubled T sound. You can't say الطعام because that's not how it works with sun letters. الشمس, النهار, الليل. So now, not only do you understand sun and moon letters, but you've also been introduced to every single Arabic letter and how they compare to English. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy Arabic lessons. See you next time.